Unlock Claude's power to automate analytics tasks effortlessly. Welcome to using Claude for analytics. Today, you'll learn how to create automatic workflows for tasks like A/B test designs, cohort analysis, and SQL reviews, saving you tons of time. First, let's set the stage with Claude's skills. Claude is an AI assistant that automates repetitive tasks and can be triggered by specific commands or data inputs, making it ideal for analytics tasks. To automate a task like A/B testing, start by defining a clear workflow in Claude. This involves setting triggers, such as new data entry, and defining steps Claude should take automatically. In the Claude dashboard, go to the Skills section and click Create New Skill. Set triggers by specifying conditions, like receiving a dataset marked A/B test. Next, add task steps for your workflow. For A/B testing, Claude can automatically run statistical tests once triggered. Use built-in commands like analyze variation to process data. Now, let's look at cohort analysis. Follow a similar setup. Once a new cohort file is detected, have Claude run segmentation through cohort.segmentation commands, generating insights instantly. For SQL reviews, create a skill that activates when a new SQL file is uploaded. Claude can auto-check syntax errors with syntax check and recommend optimizations using optimize query. Imagine getting a new data set. Claude will instantly start the A/B test workflow you defined, running analyses without manual oversight, making processes efficient and scalable. While setting triggers, ensure conditions are precise to avoid misfires. Regularly review workflows and update task steps to align with changing data patterns or business needs. Best practice: document each Claude skill you create. Keep a log of triggers and actions, noting any custom commands or unusual setups for future reference. To recap, today, you learned to automate analytics tasks with Claude. By setting up workflows for A/B tests, cohort analyses, and SQL reviews, you're leveraging AI to streamline processes. Start using Claude today to automate and enhance your analytics capabilities. Subscribe for more practical AI tool tutorials and master your workflow. Subscribe for more expert tutorials on mastering AI tools.